If you use different Firefox profiles for different purposes, such as work, studying, or personal browsing, switching between them can become a little inconvenient. A simple solution is creating a desktop shortcut for each profile, allowing you to open the exact Firefox setup you need immediately. In this video, I'll show you how to create a profile desktop shortcut in Mozilla Firefox. Let's begin. First, open Firefox and make sure you are currently using the profile you want to create a shortcut for. Click the three-line menu in the top right corner and open Settings. Inside Settings, go to the Account and Sync section. Look around and try to find the Profiles section. Here you can manage your Firefox profiles and find the option to create a shortcut for the profile you are currently using. Click Settings under Profiles. From the menu that appears, select Manage Profiles. This takes you directly to the Profile Management page. If you need a desktop shortcut for a new profile, create it first and come back here and then continue. If you already have one, you need to click on the pencil icon, which is the Edit Profile icon next to your preferred profile's name. Great. All you need to do here is turning the Create Desktop Shortcut toggle on and you are ready. Once the shortcut is created, opening it will launch Firefox directly with that selected profile. This can be useful if you have completely separate browser setups, such as one profile with work extensions and bookmarks and another with personal settings. If you no longer need the shortcut, you can simply remove the desktop icon or turn this toggle off. Deleting the shortcut will not delete the Firefox profile or any of its stored data. And that's it. You've successfully created a desktop shortcut for a Firefox profile. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more Firefox tutorials, browser customization guides, and tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.